Welcome to Gemini AI. Tell me what kind of game would you like to create?
Hi Gemini, how are you? Can you help me to create a fighting game, please?
Hi, what's up? Let's create a new game.
Cool. Now I want to set the game arena like in an urban place, like they fight in the city or something.
Fine.
That's great, that's great. Now allow the opponent to have some fighting strategy.
That's great to hear.
Yeah, okay. Now allow the player to punch, kick, move, jump.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, great. Now can you set some background, please? Yeah, great. You know what? I want to change the game arena to something more professional, like, you know. Yeah, cool, cool. Now that's great. Thank you very much. What else? What else? Let me see. You know what? I want another game. I want to switch to a car racing game.
Okie dokie. Let's create a new game.
Yeah, this is nice, cool. Can you switch to a more professional racing track?
Okay.
And also I want a faster car, please. Yeah, great. This track and this car. You help me to create an Android game out of this.
With a whisper and
Cool.
a dance, he gives
Let's
your
create a new
dreams a
game.
chance.
Let's see the Android project.
Gemini.
And here is our game installed on my actual physical Android device. And let's see how it looks
With a
like.
flick
Cool,
and
so
a
we have a
caress,
game.
he grants your every
We'll use the
wish.
joystick to
Close your
play it, and it runs the same, exactly the same like on the PC. Here is the PC version, and here is the Android version. Both were created by the Gemini agent, and that's it.